all in the description box below. So the first thing we're going to look into making are these TIE Fighter and X-Wing Christmas ornaments. These can be given out as an assembled gift or just as a stocking stuffer puzzle that the person assembles themselves. We'll be using 1/8 plywood for this project, or roughly assemble this project. You'll want some X-Acto knives, some sanding tools, and possibly a small file nearby. These are just to clean up any pieces that aren't fitting together quite like you want them to. I've went ahead and sanded all my pieces with 220 grit sandpaper just to remove some of the lasering char from them. Okay, let's go ahead and do the assembly. Now the next model we're going to look at is the Star Wars TIE Fighter Interceptor. We'll also be making this one using 1/8 plywood or rough to assemble this project. You will want some sanding and cutting tools to clean up any areas that don't fit. I'll also be using some thick CA glue and some CA glue activator when assembling this project. Having a different variety of small clamps handy will also make your assembly process much easier. This particular project also has an assembly manual included with it, just in case you need more detail than what's available in this video. Alright, let's get this TIE Fighter built.